What is up, my fans? Not fans, whatever. What's up, my viewers? Tonight, we are going to do something a little different. We are going to go take the CBR for a night shoot with the infamous Carbon. And, we're going to take it there, do some shoots, do whatever, just cruise around, you know, no big deal, and come back. We've made it to Carbon Compound. Here's a little view of what night lighting is. Photo shooting the CBR. You really can't see anything in this place.
No, that's why. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Think he's liking the first take. A little bit of adjusting. This is the hard work photographers got to do.
Fucking bugs everywhere. I'm just trying to fumigate with my.
There you go. Oh, shit. Move the bike to the street, hobble it along. At least it's a lot lighter than the H2. Yeah, I think it's light enough for most people. It's good. Yeah, no one's coming. Right there. There, move it. Alright. Oh boy. I mean, I can always move it forward. Well, that was a little different. Hope you guys enjoyed that. A little more vloggy-ish, I guess. I don't know. That was a fun night. A little bit of riding. But, yeah. See you next time. Thank you.